Hi, it's Lorraine here at the final closing ceremony at the Pelvic Restoration and Disease Prevention Masterclass. You can hear the drums, and I'm just going to give you a quick peek and let you see what's going on here. So we've got the beautiful Giselle, who is drumming and has brought her crystal bowls to do some sound vibration for us. So we're just ending things off with the beautiful energy of the drums and the singing bowls. So just one thing that we like to bring into this beautiful sacred class that we're doing is really raising the vibration and sealing things off with absolutely everything that we've done so far. And I hope that you guys are having a beautiful day, a beautiful afternoon, a beautiful morning, wherever you are in this world. Just know we are love, we are healed, we are Braveheart, and these are a bunch of Braveheart goddesses here, just finishing off day 3 of the Pelvic Restoration and Disease Prevention Masterclass. I love you guys.